Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. Welcome once again to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, 10% profit every 24 hours. 10% profit every 24 hours. This is amazing. This is somehow outrageous. Not 2%, not 4, not 6, not 8, but 10% profit every 24 hours. Okay, so this is what I will be discussing with you guys today, and I will be reviewing this particular investment company called Jetforex platform review. So we want to know how possible making 10% profit on our investment daily is. That is, making 10% profit every 24 hours. Every 24 hours. How possible this can be by this platform called Jetforex. Alright. So, but before I will be going into the details, firstly, this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For this reason, I welcome you once again to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is all about financial education. So I am bringing to your doorstep financial education. Okay? This channel is created so that I can share with you some ways whereby I personally make money from myself online. That is, so my ideas on online investments. So that is the reason why this channel is created, and also to serve as a warning for you, to raise a warning flag of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments that are very, very common. They are very, very rampant in our days. And why is this happening now? The reason for this is because it has been established that online investment is one of the ways whereby you can make residual income. And due to the fact that technology is rendering thousands of people jobless on daily basis, so it brings the surge, it's raised the surge to online investment. So many people, they are trooping in, but unfortunately, many, they are being defrauded of their hard-earned money because of lack of proper information before they venture into any of these online investments. So that is the main reason why this channel is created, to share with you some financial education, to share with you my ideas on how to make money online, and to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investment for you not to lose your hard-earned money. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I have new updates for you. Also, and after the end of this video, if you found it to be very, very meaningful to you, if it is truly educative, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Don't limit this information to yourself alone. Ensure that at least your closest friends, your pals, enjoy this information as you. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is 10% profit every 24 hours. Promised by a particular platform, investment platform called Jetforex. So we want to know if truly it is legit, if truly we can be making this whopping amount of profit on our investments, or is another wolf in sheep clothing. Okay, so quickly let's go to the platform. This is Jetforex.ltd. So we are now in their home page. So let me read out some information that we have here. Jetforex.ltd, trading platform online every day. The most profitable offer in our online program is a share of the broker's profits. We are going to revolutionize the online investment. Okay, does this make any sense to a layman or to a potential investors? Our profitable affiliate program presents Present our project to your friends, family, or any other community and enjoy the financial benefits. So on your level 1, you earn 7% on your direct referral. Then in level 2, you earn 2%, and in level 3, you earn 3%. Okay. So let's check for other information. Basic plan, basic trade plan, 10% after 24 hours. 10%. And the minimum investment here is $50. The maximum is $500. Instant withdrawal. Instant withdrawal. So what is the minimum amount you must have earned before you can withdraw is not stated. Okay. And the silver plan is 35%. 35% in a day, in 24 hours. The minimum investment is $500, while the maximum is $2,000. And the last plan here is gold trade plan. The investment, the profit you earn after 24 hours is 50%. So if you invested $1,000, you will be earning $500 in the next 24 hours. Okay, our advantage: promote your business with guaranteed and satisfied results. Okay, welcome to Jetforex Limited. Blah 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 blah. You can read the rest on your own. Okay, latest withdrawals. Okay, members online, visitors online, total investors 3874 running days, total deposited, total payments. Okay, that's all the information we have on their home page. Okay, so let's check for about us. Let's check the about us page if there is any reasonable information there for potential investments. Okay, so this is what we have there. Company profile: we are a company established to help customers create wealth through Bitcoin fund. Okay, you can read the rest. Actually, I've gone through this before. You too, you can read the rest on your own. All right, so let's check the terms of service. Terms of service. Okay, you agree to be a legal age in your country to partake in this program, and in all the cases your minimum age must be 18 years. Okay, Jetforex.ltd is not available to the general public and is opened only to the qualified members of Jetforex.ltd. The use of this site is restricted to our members and to individuals personally invited by them. Every deposit is considered to be a private transaction between the Jetforex Ltd and its member. Alright, you can read the rest. Sorry for this. You can read the rest on your own. Okay, so now let's check the support. Let's check the support before I do my own review, before I give my own observation rather. Bitcoin Forex Company Limited. Is it Bitcoin or Bitcoin? Followed by Twitter. Follow followed by Twitter. Unfortunately, when I click here, I am redirected back to this same page. So that means all this link, they lead to nowhere but this present or current page that I am. So this is somehow alarming, and this is deception. It is deception when you know that all these links, they are not available. That is, it links to nowhere but this site, this same page. Why did you put them there? So this is somehow deception. It is deceptive. Okay, so let me go back to the home page to do my analysis. All right, in any online investment, you are not that I personally I have encountered with. The first information that needs to do is that you introduce yourself and you let the customer knows why they are here, why they should invest with you. Though we have a brief explanation about that, the most profitable offer in our online program is a share of the broker's profits. We are going to revolutionize the online investment. The broker's profit, in what term, in what sense, and which particular broker are you talking about? You want to revolutionize the online investment in what ways? What are the procedures? What are your plans? What are the operations? that you want to embark upon to carry out this thing that I've said. So, but that's not all. The next information we have there is the affiliate program. So this will surely bring to someone's mental faculty that this program is similar to HYIP, that is hype, or Ponzi scheme. It is when an investor is attracted, and it is convinced that where he or she has invested is legit, and they keep their words. That is when they can be convinced to bring in more people. Now, the next thing that we have here is the affiliate program. That is, they are trying to attract potential investors after they have successfully registered and deposited and invested, to bring in more people. There's nothing bad in that. But it shouldn't come immediately. They are yet to tell us how they are making this money. They are yet to tell us what they are using the money for. And there are some things to be considered whenever we are going into any online any online investment. And one of these things is the team behind this particular company. They didn't present themselves to us. I've checked all through the site. There is no team behind the company. About us, they just gave us some. They just put some story there for us to read. There is no team behind this company. These are all dummy pictures. They are not the real owner of this company. So their identity is somehow anonymous. And another deceptive part of it is that this YouTube link and this Facebook link leads to nowhere but this same page. Let me click on it for you to see. You see, the Facebook link, that is the Facebook icon here that I clicked on, it leads me back to this same page. And likewise the YouTube. So when you know that you don't have a YouTube channel rather, and there's no Facebook page, then why putting their icon here? This is just to deceive us. It's to deceive the investors that they are legit, or they can be traced. They have a Facebook page or YouTube channel. But this is not true. So it is somehow alarming and highly suspicious to me. Though I'm not saying this is a scam. I'm not saying it's a scam yet. But there are some things that needs to be carefully done. We are talking about funds. We are talking about money. So any online investment must be very, very cautious. They must be very, very aware of any content that is being posted on their website. Okay, so now all these things, they are discouraging me. If I'm to give it a try, they are discouraging me from registering or from investing in Jetforex into this platform. And another thing that we need to consider, and this is one of the greatest factors that will push many people into this investment platform. And what is it? It is all about the return on investment, the ROI. The ROI. How on earth is it that a company will promise 10% in 24 hours? Though when you are trading forex, when you are trading binary option, it's very, very possible. It's very, very possible, but the risk attached also cannot be overemphasized. It cannot be overlooked also. If truly you are trading forex, or you are trading binary option, or you are trading cryptocurrency is very, very volatile. You can't predict the price at a particular time, because you are not the only factor. You are not the only one trading cryptocurrency. So the price of cryptocurrency is mainly dependent on the total number of demand and on the total number of supply and demand. People holding it, people selling, and the exchange side determines the price of Bitcoin. No individual, that is nobody, no individual can determine the price of cryptocurrency. So for a company to now be promising us 10% in 24 hours, this is highly alarming and it is highly fraudulent to me. Though they can be keeping to their promise for the first month, for the second month, but I am very, very sure I can beat my chest on this. It cannot last for 3 months. it can never last for 3 months. 10% in 24 hours. So in 30 days, let's assume let's assume I deposited $50 or let's say $100 here. So I am earning 10% every day. So that is 10 times 30, that is $300. So I will be making 300% of my investment in 30 days, in a month. Not to talk of the silver trade, not to talk of the gold trade plan. In silver, you are earning 35%. That means in 3 days, you'll be earning more than your capital in 3 days. And also in gold plan, you are earning 50%. That means in 2 days, you'll be earning your capital as a profit. So all these things, this is over promising. They are over promising to me. I don't know how they do generate their money, whereby they will pay their investors this huge amount of ROI. So you need to be very, very careful whenever you are coming across any site that promises you high yield on your investment. So this is hype. So you need to be very, very careful. I'm not saying it's not possible, but we need to consider that there are risks attached to any trading. There are risks attached to any investment. There are risks attached to anything that we call transactions. So, but you need to make sure that you are able to balance them, and you need to be on a safer side. So for that reason, you will never overpromise your investor so that they can come. So all these things, they are just a bait to bring you into the system, and after the end of the day, your money will be carted away. I'm not saying it will surely happen here, but I can predict that. So this is my recommendation. Besides, I'm very, very optimistic about this type of certificate of incorporation. It has been common to many fraudulent online investment now, and I think UK government needs to do something about it. So many online investment that carted away people's money, they also tender this type of certificate of incorporation. Let me click on it for you to see. So this certificate of incorporation is very, very common, very, very common to all these fraudulent investment platforms. So they are just presenting it to deceive people. I'm not saying that this platform is not exceptional, or they are innocent, or they are truly genuine. But based on my own experience, that is what I'm basing my judgment on. All right, so you just need to be very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. I can never recommend a platform like this for you, my viewers, but as I do say that this platform is for financial education and not for financial advice. So you too, you can do your own personal findings, personal research, and if you have discovered that it is what you can give a try, then my advice then will now comes in this form: that invest a little you can afford to lose. Don't invest much in a platform like this, because it can't last. It can't last. I repeat, you can't quote me anywhere. It can't last. It can't last because of the high return on investment. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and for that reason, if truly this video, this educational video is meaningful to you, like this video then and share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's just a way to show your interest in what I'm doing, to encourage. All right, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I have new video to share with you, whenever I have new updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye bye for now.